Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you a whole wheat pizza crust recipe. You will need a mixer with a dough hook, measuring cups and measuring spoons, a 2-cup glass measuring cup, and a towel. The ingredients are 2 packages of dry yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1½ cups of warm water, 1 1/2 cups of white all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Pour the warm water into the 2-cup glass measuring cup. Sprinkle with the sugar and the yeast, and mix it together. Let this stand until it starts to foam. Now mix the flour and salt in the mixer bowl. Start mixing on low with the dough hook, and while mixing, pour the water into the bowl. Now turn your mixer speed up and start pouring in the olive oil. Mix the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Transfer the dough to a bowl and cover with a towel. Set aside and let it rise for about 15 minutes. And now it's ready to roll out. And that is a whole wheat pizza crust recipe.